I've looked at this enough in patients that I've just stopped looking, but I've never seen anybody actually heal anything from just taking BPC. So someone has a supraspinatus tear, you're not taking BPC and you're repairing that thing.
Dang it.
It can become pain-free, and that's great. But if we throw an ultrasound on it or take an MRI, it's going to look the same. And that's where I think the big difference, going back to our discussion earlier on the animal research, where they actually showed that no, BPC can help to regenerate tissue in an acute injury setting. So that's why any acute injuries we have, the first thing I'm like, get on BPC 157, because that's your best chance at supporting the body to heal through the process it's already trying to go through, as opposed to just dumping BPC in on a chronic scenario. And so that's also why it's one of the #1 supplements we use post PRP and stem cell procedures, because again, we're stimulating an injury, we're stimulating a healing response. And I think there's synergy with all these peptides in a healing response, but I think BPC is just the most profound. Is, we're just pairing those two, and it works so well together.
And have you seen the interesting thing for BPC? One of the first, I had this elderly lady, and I think she was in her 78, osteoarthritis in her hips, like I think she said 6 to 7 out of pain every morning. And we just did a discovery call, and I said, hey, go and buy some BPC. I wasn't carrying it in office. And I think 6 months later, I hear from her. Hey, doctor, I was kind of scared of this stuff. Is it unregulated? But I went ahead and I tried a bottle. And she goes, my hips, 6 to 7, probably 3 or 4, which I can get out of bed now. But she goes, doc, my constipation's gone. My depression has lifted. And then my overall pain has decreased. Right. Thank you. So I was like, awesome.
Nice.
So I wanted to ask that. And the other thing some patients have told me, I think 2 things. One, I think it maybe something with serotonin is decreasing your sensitivity to serotonin. Have you had, like, I've had people, like, they get on BPC. This happens to me. My cup of coffee, like my base level energy is higher, but the coffee, like, stimulants don't affect it as much. And I've had people tell me also, it seems like they get better sleep, which may just be a serotonin thing. I don't know if you're.
Yeah, we've seen the sleep stuff. I haven't seen anything on, like, we've seen overall energy levels go up. I haven't seen a whole lot in terms of, what you're describing there with coffee, but I'm so focused on pain that I'm probably not asking the right questions.
Yeah. But if you're out of pain, that was one of my first TRT patients. Like, I remember too, younger guy came in for sexual dysfunction, and like, we walked through, his test was like 300, and, dad in his late 40s. And, he came back a couple of weeks. He's like, hey, that stuff is a little bit better, because my back pain, how much of pain is neurotransmitter issues, right?
Yeah.
Gut issues. And BPC with the serotonin angle is usually an easy play, right? Like you're saying, I don't know how many people might do a bottle of BPC. That's usually the cost of a PT session or 2. Like, what do you got to lose? Maybe you heal your gut. So are you usually starting oral or injectable, or?
I usually start oral, and I'd say probably 90% of what we do in practice now is oral, because it's, especially if we're also doing other peptides that are injectable. So thymosin beta-4 be injectable, GHK copper, pentosan polysulfate. Most of the growth hormone secretagogues are going to be injectable. And so once we've got a bunch of those on, patients prefer to take one more pill versus another stab. And so, and then it's easier, it's quicker to get and stuff like that. I don't have to order it from the pharmacy. People don't have to worry about, oh, I left it out overnight, is it still fine? Like, so many things, right? And so 90% of what we do with BPC is oral.
Nice. Yeah. Mixing it. Yeah. It's just you can take a pill, guys. I get it. It's the cool thing.